a small, lightweight travel trailer that may fit in your driveway. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it too straight and transparent about the RV business. This is a 2024 Forest River Rpod Classic 190. This is a super cool floor plan that I've always loved because it fits in most people's driveways and it weighs less than 3,100 pounds dry. Now, if you haven't seen a video of mine prior, when I do a walk around, I take a 7 to 10 minutes to walk around the entire travel trailer, and I talk about it without a bunch of editing or without a bunch of sound effects or special effects or anything of that nature. Okay, let's get started. So you do have your manual jack, which can be upgraded at the dealership to a power jack if you want to. You have a 5-gallon propane tank and an area for 2 group of 24 12-volt batteries. Of course, there's the bugs are not included. There's my one joke of the day. All right, let's get to the weight. So I'm gonna go to the dry weight first because that's the easiest to find. So the dry weight on this particular one is 3,078 pounds. Okay, let's zoom out. If we take a look at the gross vehicle sticker right here, I'm gonna zoom in again. It's a gross vehicle weight of 4,700 pounds with a 4,400 pound axle and 15-inch rim and tires. You got a 6-gallon propane hot water heater. Sorry, bleh, got a little tongue tied there. You have a propane electric refrigerator inside, which you'll see later. And then I love that there's 2 outside storage areas. This is your pass-through, which is actually in the rear of the trailer. And for being only 20 feet 4 inches in total length, that's really good outside storage. In fact, the majority of your storage, you're gonna find out as we go through this, is gonna be on the outside. So we'll take another look on the other side. Boom, pass through. You got 4 manual stabilizer jacks. So you take a 3/4 inch socket and cordless. Spare tire on the rear. Power awning. The power awning is actually pretty decent sized, especially considering the travel trailer is pretty small. Okay, now if you look here, the actual storage area outside is pretty deep. So like I said, the majority of your storage is on the outside of this travel trailer. Now it does have the plug for the briefcase solar to keep your batteries charged. And then when we walk in here, by the way, first off, just want to start with, it does have Azdel fiberglass. It is a rear dinette floor plan. So it has pretty good windows. That can be modified into a bed, or I should say collapsed into a bed. So a good area to play cards. And then I'm gonna slip, because it's so small, I'm gonna sit down here. And right there is where you can put your own television. And you have USB charging stations right here as well, so you can plug in devices to charge them. I like the big sink. It's rounded. You can fit a nice big pot in there for chili, pozole, tortilla soup. Decent prep space, but the majority of the time, if you're cooking in here, you're gonna combine this counter space, which isn't much, along with this table. That's just a fact of life. When you're in a small little unit, you got to get a little creative with how you're going to cook and prep meals. That's a deep, big cabinet area. That's probably where you're going to keep your majority of your bowls and plates. 2-burner stove. Oh, sorry, bumped my forearm. Convection microwave. And an area where you can put probably a couple pots and pans and have access to your plumbing. Now, it does have a GFI outlet back here, so you are able to put like a blender and things of that nature. Propane electric refrigerator and freezer all in one. There's your freezer element. God, I like that better. That's one of my favorite fridges, guys. I mean, nothing against 12 volt, okay? But propane electric is really great, especially when you want to go out for a day or two on the lake and have no plug-ins. It has a 1 wardrobe closet. And then you got drawers down here for socks, chonies. God, I can't believe I'm saying chonies. You know, different things of that nature. So utensils, like I said, utensils and things like that, you're gonna pack in the underbelly storage area, but you do have access to some of it through this door. So probably can put your utensils in a plastic container right here, accessible. So like your wooden spoons, your plastics, your paper cups, things of that nature. Full queen size bed here. And it's not quite a full queen size bed, but they call it that. It's a little shorter than a queen, but a little bit bigger than an RV queen. Going in the bathroom, toilets in an okay spot. Again, I can't complain in a small travel trailer. You have good counter space here for toothbrushes, toothpaste, an area for your linens, toilet paper, toiletries, good deep storage, and a decent sized medicine cabinet. Overall, I like the floor plan because, again, if you have a 5,000 pound tow capacity or less, or let's say even 6,500 pound, this would make you feel very comfortable to tow. Now, there's one thing I do want to talk about real quick because there's going to be questions. Why does it have the beast mode package? I order them without the beast mode package because I've been losing money to sell beast mode package Rpods and ibexes. The reason why is because it's priced out of the market. Now, you guys can let me know what you think in the comments section. We're going to take one more look around. But here's my thoughts. The retail market for pure off-road travel trailers is less than 2% of RV sales per year. And it is an overcrowded market already. There are a lot of independent manufacturers like Opus from Australia, Black Series. In fact, there's a dealership in Las Vegas that only specializes in that. And they have 16 brands that are designed for off-road travel. So I'm just saying, like, this is a conventional travel trailer. Now, I like the ability to have the option for the beast mode package, but most folks are concentrated on weight. Not everybody. The majority of people go to parks or they go to an area where the roads are not a complete disaster. Not everybody goes off-roading in a Jeep to get to their campsite. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, my contact information as always is in the description box below. And if you would like to see another really cool Rpod floor plan, look in the top right hand corner of this video.